Hey, welcome into the Shopfix channel, a community joined together for the love of woodworking. So, in this episode, I want to show you how you can install leg levelers on furniture or workbenches or tool stands in your workshop. And I'll show you all the tips that you need to know to get this done properly. Let's get right into this. Okay, so now that we've marked the location of where we're going to be placing these leg levelers into the actual leg boards, now we need to drill out a hole the same diameter as the T-nut that we're going to be using. And this is a pronged T-nut, which is going to be placed within the leg board, and that's going to act as support for the leg leveler to hold it in place. And so we'll be matching that diameter. Now, it's not the actual diameter 5/16. That's the diameter of the threaded bolt. We need a little bit bigger of a hole so that whole T-nut can go inside the wood. Okay, so on this particular board, the hole is going to need to be drilled all the way through the leg. And that's because I'm going on the outside of the leg here, and the bolt goes all the way through the piece of wood. However, if you have a more of a straight leg like this piece right here, and it was going through here, obviously you don't have to drill it any more past the furthest point of the bolt. So hopefully that makes sense. You'll just kind of imagine your drill going down the same amount as the bolt. Here I'm going on the side of the board, which will basically go all the way through the board. So I'm going to just drill it all the way through. So that's something to keep in mind.
As you drill this hole out, you want to make sure that you stay as close to a 90-degree angle as possible. After these holes have been drilled through the leg boards, we can go ahead and hammer in the pronged T-nut. I recommend using a rubber mallet at this step. Once the T-nut is mounted inside the hole, you can go ahead and thread the leveler in place. Before flipping your workbench or a piece of furniture over, I would recommend starting all the leg levelers in their lowest position first. To get a better grip on my garage floor, I ended up taking off the plastic part. Once this workbench was flipped upright, I was able to adjust the position of the levelers. Once you adjust the levelers to the correct position, you can check with the level and make sure that your workbench or piece of furniture is level to the ground. I really hope this video helped you to understand how to install leg levelers in your workbench or piece of furniture. If it did, don't forget to smash that like button. Well, I wish you the best of luck with your future projects. Take care.